Good morning, it's March 14th, and this is your daily drone briefing from the Quad Drone Lab. All right, here's what's making waves today. We're talking K-drone tech, a wild new flying bus, and a battery revolution. First up, a massive leap forward for K-drone technology. This is all about national tech independence. So, a Korean company called Acrosar just dropped its new homegrown flight controller, the ISAR V6X. Now, if you're new to this, think of the flight controller as the drone's brain. It's the most critical part. And get this, the interest is huge. They're already in talks for a whopping 20,000 units. Okay, let's shift gears to the global stage. The race for future air mobility is really heating up. Over in China, they just successfully tested a massive 10-seater eVTOL. You can think of it as a flying bus. And this puts the leap in scale into perspective. We're going from 4-seaters to 10-seaters for long distances. So what's making all this possible? You guessed it, it all comes down to advanced battery tech. See, better batteries mean longer, safer flights. This is what's truly kicking off the urban air mobility era. For example, at the recent Interbattery Expo, just cutting packaging weight by 25% extends flight time, a total game changer. Okay, now for a serious topic, how are these drones being used in modern warfare? Well, we're seeing two very different sides. Iran's drone aircraft carrier was destroyed, showing a major vulnerability. But on the flip side, South Korea's Chang'e-2 missile proved to be a powerful shield against drone attacks. So the big takeaways today are tech independence, future mobility, and of course, national security. You know, this industry changes so fast. What do you think tomorrow's big news will be? We're here every day with these briefings. To keep getting this expert analysis, make sure you join our channel membership. And hey, if you want a deeper dive on today's topics, you can always check out our official blog. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.